Okay, so we're just gonna try and connect up this device that we got from eBay. So the model is a PZEM-006.
Yeah, closer.
Okay, so this is a device that you can monitor all of your AC power. So it does voltage, it does watts, it does kilowatts, and it does amperage. So what I've done is I've just basically taken a plug, attached it to here, and then I've got a separate cable to supply power, which I've already cut to the length that I require, as well as just a normal 10 to 15 amp plug. So what I'm going to do firstly is take the 10 to 15 amp plug, open it up. amp meter. You've got your 10 to 15 amp plug. You've got your to calculate the amount of amps, volts and kilowatts that's drawn through this particular cable. And the reason why we put it through a plug like this, because you can basically plug in anything or any device that you want to, whether it's a cell phone charger, a laptop or anything of that sort. You can plug that